All right, guys, quick update. If you use the RØDECaster Duo or the RØDECaster OG or any other RØDECaster really, all right, quick update. Rode has changed the application, the companion application. In this video, I'm going to show you which application now you should be using. What I mean is the companion application that comes with the RØDECaster Duo or any RØDECaster. So in the past, we used to use this one right here, which is Rode Central. All right, so now Rode Central does not support RØDECasters anymore. Now we have to use this one, which is RØDECaster app. That's a new app that Rode has kind of released for controlling the RØDECasters. So to get it, you're gonna go to rode.com and you go to apps right here, and then once you get there, as you can see, you're gonna see all the software solutions they have available. But for us, we're gonna go where it says RØDECaster app. This is the app that we need. As you can see, Rode Central is still available, but don't fool yourself because now it only supports these products here. So wireless micro, wireless pro, wireless go. So it kind of supports only microphones, and that's how they wanted to do it. So the interface, which is the RØDECaster, is gonna be supported by this new app called RØDECaster app. So now if you're on Mac, you're just gonna go ahead and download the Mac. If you're on Windows, you're gonna go ahead and download the Windows version. I'm on Windows, so I have already downloaded it. All you gotta do, just click to this and it's gonna download a zipped folder. And as you can see, it shows up here in your download folder, and you gotta do right click to it and unzip it or extract all. And then once you open it, you're gonna see the application is gonna be here. All you gotta do is just double click to it and it's going to install. Follow instructions, super easy. Okay, once you have installed, you're gonna go ahead and actually open it. It's gonna show up here, so you can either type in here RØDECaster app, and it's gonna show up here, right here. Okay, and again, if you don't have any USB microphone, you can get rid of the RØDECaster Central because it doesn't work anymore. So let's go to RØDECaster app. So right now I have the RØDECaster app open. As you can see, it looks exactly like the old Rode Central for RØDECasters. This is what it used to look like. And as you can see, my RØDECaster Duo is showing up here with the firmware version. So you gotta do, you can just double click to it, and then you have all the things I used to have here. So you can see for assigning faders or audio setup, you go to device configuration, display, output. Okay, so you can see that everything is there, no problem. Okay, basically it's a copy of the RØDECaster Central that we used to have. Really, I mean, if you were using the RØDECaster Duo, everything's gonna look similar. They just rebranded everything. Okay,
so there you have, this was how for. If you found value in this video, my please subscribe button. That if you are new to RØDECaster Duo or RØDECaster Pro II, and you want to learn how to set up from scratch, set up everything, your microphone, headphone, everything my friend is doing, and you want to record it, having never did have recorded. John, exactly how to do that, and my free check it out is gonna be linked right here. And I will see that guys. Take care.